Hey guys, my name is Andrew. Uh, Welcome to another amazing series on my channel. Yeah, welcome to another video, but then this is going to be a video series. It's going to be a series where I'll teach you, I'll help you guys become pros in NextJs13, right? So NextJs13 is the new version of Next.js. Initially we had version 12, and now we have Next.js version 13, right? So I guess you stumbled into this video because you were working on Next.js and probably needed some help, right? I assure you, you've come to the right place. So this video is actually going to be a series. This is just the introduction to the series. This is the first video, right? So I believe you can't wait to see what the series has to offer. It's going to be an awesome series where I'll be teaching a lot, covering different aspects of Next.js 13, just to help you guys understand Next.js 13 and to help you guys get to adopt it a lot more easier, right? So just in case you are absolutely new, what is Next.js? On the Next.js website, the first thing you see, it says the React framework for the web. So Next.js is basically React.js. Yeah. So Next.js is basically React.js, just with some like they will say with the batteries included, right? So React is basically a library. React gives you the necessary stuffs, and then you go source out the other solutions to stuffs like routing, styling, and other stuffs you might need for your app, right? So, but then Next.js builds on top of React. Like I said, Next.js is basically React, right? Next.js built on top of React, and then it gives you amazing extra solutions attached. Next.js 13 comes with a new mindset shift. I mean, a new paradigm. The guys at Vercel, which is the team behind Next.js, they want us to adopt this server first approach, right? This server component first approach to building single page applications with React, right? So, I mean, they are introducing this new mindset shift that is actually awesome. I never got to really see it until I started exploring deeper. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys those secrets I've discovered. I'm going to help you guys master Next.js 13 in an awesome way. We'll start by exploring the docs together. So we explore the Next.js docs together, and then with beautifully crafted slides and illustrations, I'm going to guide you guys, right? Illustrations like this. I'm going to guide you guys, explaining different concepts, helping you guys to understand Next.js 13 as perfectly as it should be understood. And then, of course, we'll go right into our code editor. We'll go into VS Code, and then I'm going to show you guys things we're going to code. And then, best of all, I'm going to use a real project to explain things to you guys so that you guys can really understand and, I mean, indeed, master Next.js 13. So I created a repository. You can basically, I'm going to add the link to the repository in the video description. So you can come to this repository. You can give it a star. I really appreciate that. You can fork it, clone it, or if you wish, you can just come anytime you need something and access the repository. So as the series continues, just like you can see here, I'm going to be documenting every tutorial, any part of Next.js I cover. I'm going to document it, explaining the concepts with pictures, illustrations, code examples, and then of course I'm going to add links to a live implementation. Right? We're gonna have a live project, right? So I'm going to add links to implementations of the various aspects we're going to be having on the README, so you can go explore them for yourself. All right, guys. So, what are we going to be covering in this awesome series? As you can see on the screen, the areas we're going to be covering, I mean, basically everything Next.js that I consider is necessary. Yeah, first of all, I'll start by helping you guys understand the new philosophy, right? I mean, like I said earlier, the guys at Vercel, they want us to build web apps in a very it's I don't really know if such a paradigm existed earlier, but the guys have introduced a new mindset where you have to start from the server and then build towards the client. So they introduced the concept of server components and client components. So I'm going to help you guys understand everything, how you should build your apps, how you should adopt this mindset shift, this philosophy, building your apps from the server towards the client, how to structure your project. I'm going to teach you guys everything. And then, of course, I'll help you guys understand server components and client components because permit me to call them the two most important aspects of Next.js 13, right? So I'm going to show you guys detailed stuff. I'm going to show you guys how to use the different rendering techniques in NextJs13 as well. I mean, this series is just going to be awesome. I'll show you guys how to use the new app router inside of NextJs13. I mean, I'm going to show you guys some awesome stuffs in this series, so you can't afford to miss this series, right, guys? So just keep an eye on the repo, follow along with the series on YouTube, right? Follow along with the series. Follow. I mean, you don't want to miss any part of the series, so hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so you keep updated as every video in the series keep rolling out. If you want to bring your React game into Next.js for the first time, or probably if you're already into Next.js using version 12 and you want to come into Next.js 13, I mean, this series is just an absolute must for you because I'm going to help you understand how to use Next.js 13 in just a simply amazing way. Right, guys? So, see you in every video of this series. Bye bye. Love you guys.